What's up, everybody? This is Maddie for Unboxed Product Review. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Sportsman 4-in-1 Grooming Kit. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this box. You can see it is a 4-in-1 grooming kit for wet or dry. It is digital in the front. It's by Sportsman Angeer. Right here on the side, it says you could shave. You can also trim your hair. You got a nose trimmer, a face scrubber, and an LCD display. So let's make our way to the back of the box. Right here will tell you that it is waterproof, the whole body, charging hand safe, uses a USB charging cord, professional advanced shaving system. So let's go on the side right here. The instructions are in English, French, you've got Spanish back here. So now let's go ahead and open up the box so I can show you everything that comes into this box. And right here off the bat, we're going to go ahead and take off the plastic. And first up, we have the nose and ear trimmer. Just go ahead and pop the top off. As you can see, it's very thin, lightweight. This goes on top of the shaver. Then right here you have your face scrubber. This is very soft, so scrubbing your face would be a breeze, being it's soft. And right here is your hair trimmer. It does come with trimmer extensions. And right here is the razor. Here is the bottom. You've got your power switch here at the top. And then down here at the bottom, you actually have an LCD screen. So let's go ahead and get the actual razor part. This is very soft. You don't have to worry about being cut or scraped, as it is protected in these little circles. And right here has an eject button to remove all your stubborn hairs. And this is the bottom. Okay, so now that we got this unboxed and reviewed, if you're interested in purchasing this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. You can also check me out at Maddie'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.